Cat problems and health issues, causes, symptoms, and treatments. 13. Sneezing in cats. Treatments, how to prevent disease. Wipe nose and eyes, reduce stress, keep hydrated, and fed. It's best to mix these warm foods. Sardines, pilchards, roast chicken, tuna in their usual foods. Help your cat to breathe. Steam helps to loosen mucus in their airways. Let your cat in the bathroom when you have a bath or shower can help it to breathe more easily. Keep an eye out for indicators of tension in your cat, and remove them from the room if they appear stressed.